Hello viewers, a very warm welcome back to Deflux. In this video I will continue with the GATE 2025 electrical engineering solutions and starting with the GATE 2025 electrical engineering solutions from the subject electrical and electronic measurements. Basically 3 questions came from electrical and electronic measurements in GATE 2025 electrical engineering, 1 of 1 mark any type and 2 of 2 marks, so total 5 marks of easy to moderate level. In this video I will be discussing the detailed video solution to question number 31 of 1 mark unknown transitive entity from basically percentage errors. So the question goes like, the maximum percentage error in the equivalent resistance of two parallel connected resistors having a maximum 5% error is dash, round up to the nearest integer. So basically it is asked that two resistors which are having 5% maximum error when connected in parallel, what will be the maximum percentage error. So let's move on to solution for this question. सॉल्यूशन पे आगे बढ़ते हैं. So basically two resistors, we are bothered about two resistors connected parallelly. Say R1 and R2, and this is R equivalent, the equivalent resistance between them. It is given delta R1 by R1 is less than equal to 5%. Also, delta R2 by R2 is also less than equal to 5%. This is maximum percentage error. And we are required to find delta R equivalent by R equivalent. Less than equal to question mark. So there is a traditional approach to solving this question, but I will not be discussing that. मैं वो बात उसके बारे में चर्चा नहीं करूंगा. मैं तो एक दूसरे अप्रोच से जाऊंगा जो ज़्यादा आसान रहेगा. मैक्सिमम 5% एरर, दैट मीन्स लेट इनिशियली दैट इज द नॉमिनल वैल्यू v of both resistors to 100 ohms. The nominal value. Maximum 5% error means R1 can go up to maximum value 105 ohms, that is 100 into 1 plus 5%. Isn't it? Similar is the case with R2. Into 1 plus 5%, that makes it 105 ohms. ठीक है. In that case, let us find out what will be the value of R equivalent. Okay. R equivalent, as you all know, in parallel it is R1 R2 by R1 plus R2. Right? Both the resistors having maximum error. In that case, so R equivalent max will be what? R1 max R2 max by R1 max plus R2 max. When both the resistors are having maximum error, the error in the equivalent resistance will be also maximum. Going by that logic, so it will be 105 for both. If two equal resistors are connected in parallel, the equivalent resistance will also be equal. So this is nothing but 105 ohms. And in nominal value, what is the nominal value? If we take both 100. Was 100 into 100 upon 100 plus 100, again same values, equal values, so this is also same. Equivalent resistance is also 100 when considering nominal values, and when considering maximum percentage error it is 105. So what is the maximum error possible in R equivalent? Equivalent resistance, it will be what? In the maximum case we are getting 105 as compared to 100. So the percentage error is, in this case, 105 minus 100 upon 100. There is maximum error minus nominal value upon nominal value into 100. This is percentage error. This will cancel out. So we are left with 5%. The maximum percentage error in the equivalent resistance of the two resistors having maximum 5% error when connected in parallel is also 5%. The correct answer for this question is 5. This is already an integer. We could have gone by some traditional approach of taking the partial derivatives and all, or the like that, but it is not needed. Pretty simpler, easier approach would be to consider the nominal value, calculate the nominal equivalent resistance, take both the resistance values to the maximum with maximum error, and then again calculate the equivalent resistance, and then find the maximum error possible in the equivalent पैरेलल कनेक्टेड रेजिस्टर. तो ये अप्रोच एक से ज़्यादा रेजिस्टर हो तब भी वैलिड होगा, जबकि कुछ कॉम्प्लिकेट फार्मूला वगैरह कुछ नहीं लगाना पड़ेगा. पैरेलल में इट इज़ नॉट दैट इजी लाइक इन सीरीज यू कैन सिंपली ऐड द एरर्स. पैरेलल इट इज़ नॉट so you can follow this approach anyway. I hope the solution is clear. If you still have doubts or queries, please put it in the comments. That's all for solution to this question. Thank you.